Hi everyone, this is Karthika, Faculty of Physics, uh, working in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the aquatic ecosystem like ponds and lake, that is the stationary water. So aquatic ecosystem deals with water bodies. The major type of organisms found in aquatic environments are determined by the water's salinity. So the type of aquatic life zones. The aquatic life zones are divided into two types, that is freshwater life zones, that is ponds, streams, lakes and rivers, saltwater life zones, that is ocean and estuaries. Freshwater ecosystem, that is pond ecosystem. Introduction. A pond is a freshwater aquatic ecosystem where water is stagnant. It receives enough water during rainy season. It contains several types of algae, aquatic plants, insects, fishes and birds. Characteristics of pond. Pond is temporary, only seasonal. It is a stagnant freshwater body. Ponds get polluted easily due to a limited amount of water. Pond ecosystems are a lentic ecosystem, that is, they involve stagnant and standing water. The structure and functions of pond ecosystem, that is abiotic components, example temperature, light, water and organic inorganic components. Biotic components means producers. These include green photosynthesis organism. They are of two types. Photoplankton, these are microscopic marine plants which freely float on the surface of water. Example for floating plants like nostoc, anabena, casmurium. Microphytes are microalgae. Floating plants and submerged plants like hydrilla, Gissia, Wolfia, Demna. Consumers. So primary consumers, zooplanktons. These are microscopic animals which freely float on the surface of water. Zooplanktons are found along with phytoplankton. They feed on plants. Protoia, very small fish, ciliates, falcelates and protozoans. So these are the examples of the first one, primary consumers. Second one is secondary consumers. They feed on zooplanktons. So example, insects like water beetles and small fish. Tertiary consumers. They feed on small fish, large fish like a game fish. Decomposers. They decompose the dead plant and animal matter and their nutrients are released and reused by the green plants. Example, fungi, bacteria and platelets. So this is the pictorial representation of the living beings in a ponds. And this also food chain. This is for a grassland ecosystem and the freshwater aquatic ecosystem also. So the importance of the pond ecosystem, biodiversity. Pond ecosystems are very important habitat for so many different types of fishes, birds, plants and crustaceans as well as insects such as dragonflies, samselflies and pond stakers. Ubiquity. Pond ecosystem can be found on every continent on the planet. Abundance. Pond ecosystems are very abundant. Not only can they be found almost everywhere, they can be found plentifully. Source of hydration. A watering hole in a prairie or desert, many species of animals will come to pond. Humans can also use this ecosystem as a source of water. Beauty. Pond ecosystem are very beautiful as well. Lake ecosystem. Lakes are large natural shallow water bodies. Lakes are used for various purposes and they have water from rainfall, melting snow and streams. Types of lakes. Some important types of lakes are uh, oligotrophic lakes. They have low nutrient concentration. Eutrophic lakes, they are overnourished by nutrients like N and P. And dystrophic lakes, they have a low HB, high humic content and groundwater. Volcanic lakes, they receive water from magma after volcanic eruptions. Zone of lake. So littoral zone, limnatic and profudal and benthic zone. So these are the four types of zones of a lake. So this is the pictorial representation. And what would be the characteristics? It have a fresh water body, it helps in irrigation and drinking, and permanent water body, and it will help for biotic and both biotic components. And for the consumers, and we know about the primary, secondary and tertiary consumers, how they are getting. Thank you.